A man met a muscular cat during his walk. It looked like it was covered in muscles. We joked it must have stolen protein powder, but its walking posture was strange. We worried it had some disease. He decided to take it to the vet. The kitten was just a few months old, but its body looked like a balloon ready to burst. Round and swollen all over. The vet did a full checkup. Diagnosed with subcutaneous emphysema, gas trapped between skin and muscle. They manually drained gas with needles. Oh, painful. The kitten stayed brave. It remained energetic and had good appetite, loving milk and canned food. But next day it swelled up again, full of gas under the skin. He rushed it back to the hospital. Doctors kept draining gas. The condition was worse than expected. Organ rupture caused the inflation. The kitten was hospitalized. They named him Nair, hoping this name brings luck. Next day, deworming treatment. He looked uncomfortable, wrapped in compression net. Struggled to sit up, looking around nervously. Daily inflation-deflation cycles. Painful process. But he never cried out. Fed nutritional paste for strength. Treated for worms and fleas. Plus gas drainage. Day 4. CT scan located 2 possible tears, likely caused by external force. Common in stray animals. Showed trachea rupture location. Too young for risky surgery. Special position complicates operation. High surgical risks. May damage other organs. Opted for conservative treatment. Continuous gas drainage therapy. A week later, his twin daughters visited Nair. Brought toys for the kitten. Vets kept adjusting treatment plans. With everyone's care, Nair's condition improved. Swelling reduced significantly. Less drainage needed. body shape returning to normal. Waiting for love's miracle. Started responding to his name. Airway is self-healing. No swelling for days. Compression net helped healing. Skin layers reattaching. Three to 5 more days of rest. If stable, can go home. Discharge day arrived. Few days later, Nair settled into new home. Changed his fate completely. We thought he wouldn't make it. Expected surgery was necessary. But he fought bravely. Feeling everyone's love. He survived and recovered. Love arrived before death. Loves watching TV during recovery. Fascinated by fish tank and cartoons. Full of curiosity. Health fully restored. Just like normal cats. Loves playing with cameras. Family adores him. Bought him various toys. Having fun every day. Now a grown orange cat. Adapted to home life. Brings daily joy. Gets along with resident cat. Though much bigger. They protect each other. Nair's story continues. Thanks to his rescuer's kindness. May all strays find loving homes. Like Nair did.